this is the second deck, yeah? This is the last one up here. There's the captain room over there. Oh my god. This is nice. Look at the flooring, wood. Yeah. 2 stairs on that side. There's the captain room over here. Oh, nice. Woo. So yeah, this is my new ship. I just bought it yesterday. Wow, look over there. Let's check it out. There's the captain room. And there's the front of the boat. Yep. All set. All right. So over here, you can just come and going down again. So yeah, this is the new ship. Let's go. That's the end of the tour.